So you want to make money online, you just don't know where to start. You've seen a lot of people getting success, you've maybe tried a few things and it wasn't working for you, and you just feel like, why can't I figure this out? Hey, my name's Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada, and you're not alone. That's exactly my story. I tried for about 5 years trying to figure out how to make that money online. I saw a lot of people doing it, getting traction and growing. It just wasn't my story. I honestly lost a lot of money. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you what changed for me as of February 2024 last year, and how now I've been able to retire from my 9 to 5 when I thought I was going to be working well past 65 because we were short for retirement, and what I did to finally start making money online. The thing that I have learned, maybe the hard way, I've learned that you have to really partner with the right program and learn the right skill set. I was not learning how to do digital marketing. Now, Forbes is saying digital marketing is going up. And prior to that, I was learning, I had products or programs or things that I was trying to promote to make money. But reality is, I didn't know how to show up with the digital marketing skills. I didn't know how to show up to connect the product and make people want to take action and purchase it. And that's where digital marketing comes in, and understanding how that process works. So when I came across this blueprint in 2024 February, and I saw that, the light bulb went off for me. So if you want that blueprint saying, yes, I do, I'll send you that blueprint right now and you can see for yourself what I'm talking about. What this blueprint taught me was the skills of digital marketing. Now get this, I was still working my 9 to 5. So I was able to fit doing these actionable steps and going through this program, and it's live and interactive. I was going through it, fitting it into the pockets of my day. And they taught me how the importance of setting up an automated system, the importance of email marketing, and what to say in it, and how those work together, how to show up on social media authentically and be me and actually connect with my ideal viewer. They also taught me what people are looking for online, so that when I do show up, I'm giving them something that they want. Not trying to sell something that they really couldn't care two hoots about. Like if I was selling a cassette tape these days, no, but it didn't matter. It wouldn't matter what my marketing skills were. Nobody would want it, because that's not in high demand these days. People don't want cassette tapes, with the digital realm that we're in, right? That's old ancient history. And I remember when I used to have a whole bunch of those. You need to learn what is in demand these days, so that when you have a product, people are interested in what you have. And then learning how to take that product and connect it with the viewer and learn that digital marketing, which is right here in the middle, skill set, that's what gets you the results online. So I was taught all this in this program. Now it's really neat, because here is some of the testimonies, not just working for me. It's not just working for me. This is some of the testimonies in our community. Like, you see this right here? Like, it's helping everyday ordinary people like me, grandmas, grandpas. We have this cute little 80-year-old lady in our community, and she's learning this skill set, teaching her brain new tricks so she can start to make money online. Right? Colonel Sanders never fried chicken till he was, in his 70s? So it's never too late to start learning and changing and figuring out how you can do this big online space. I really don't mind learning. I love to learn, keeps my brain young. And so following the steps of learning a process was fine with me. And they made it very step by step. I like video training because it helps me walk me through the training. This past year, it's radically changed my life, making over $560,000 since the end of February 2024 by following this process. Mind-blowing that this grandma from Canada can do that. So if I can do it, why not you? You can find the details below and click on that to learn all about this process and program that I'm using, and just see if it's a good fit for you, because it's been radically, changing our life. My husband is blown away by what I've done. And you know what? The really neat thing is, because I learned this skill set while I was still at my 9 to 5, I took the exact marketing strategies. They're like, Wendy, you're learning all this stuff online. What can you apply it to our business, which we're running an entertainment farm. It's what I've been doing for 22 years. I manage it. So I took that strategy, applied it to our entertainment farm, and I grew our profitability by 30%. And it was amazing, right? I was so blessed to be able to do that and help them grow their business. But this is a skill set that regardless of what business you're doing, you need to learn. If you want to grow a business in the online space, you need to learn digital marketing. You need to have a program or a product that you love, that aligns with who you are, and you need to have the skill set on how to connect that with people in the online space. And you need to have automations. This is mine right here. This is my automation. So when you go to my web address, which is right here, you will see this landing page. Now this is the view from my phone. The laptop looks a little different. This is laptop. So you will see this. You put your email address in, and that's how you grow your email address. And that's when automations take over. Automations are so valuable and important because that's what gives you your time back. We call it our freedom machine. It lets you, the automations are working, sending emails, keeping people informed, letting them go to your website to learn about the program. So all these things are happening by the automations behind the scenes. So I will get notifications like this and like this while I'm busy living life and enjoying my time with my grandkids, enjoying time with my husband, going on vacation, you name it. So for me, going into retirement, I wanted something that was a lot more portable and flexible because my 9 to 5 was at a location. I wanted the freedom to work from my phone, regardless of where I was, and still create an income. I wanted money that came in so that I could afford our bucket list for retirement, so we could travel with it. I could do it location free, so if I am somewhere hot and sunny, because I'm a Canadian, it's friggin' cold here right now. It's January, and I wanted to go somewhere hot and sunny and work my business there. And that's exactly what we're doing in a week. A week and a half. We're going to the Dominican, and then we're going to be going to Florida. So we're saying bye-bye, Canadian cold winter. Hello, sunshine. And I can run my business there. But the neat thing is they show us how to do these income-producing activities in just 2 hours a day. Now, they don't have to be all done in one chunk of 2 hours. It can be. It's your business, so you do it in the pockets of your time, whatever fit around your schedule. So while I was working my 9 to 5, those 2 hours looked a little different than now that I'm retired. I can fit them in anywhere. Like, it's a really bad snowy day today, and the fact that I'm not having to commute to work to earn an income, I'm home, staying warm, snuggle by the fire, and I'm just able to run my business wherever I want. So if you've been looking for that type of freedom, that type of business, I would be very happy to share with you how you can get started. You need to learn this skill set, and this program teaches you that. And the fact that you can make money multiple different ways, you learn all that from the program, it's amazing. So if you want to check out the details, go into my description below, learn all about the program, just see if it's a good fit for you. I will happily coach you on your journey. I am going to be helping about 5 different people coming up. So if you want to be one of them, then you need to check that out. You'll get into my emails and you'll learn all about how I'm coaching people to success. I had my first 6-figure earner that we've been learning the same skill set together online, and she's been radically changed her life. She's a gal from Manitoba. Now, this is a global business, so I don't care where you are in the world, you can tap in and do this. All you need to learn is this skill set. So give a little like and save to this video, and watch this video right here if you want to learn more about the business that I am in. You can watch that replay of the webinar, learn about it, ask me any questions in the comment, but let's make 2025 your year for learning a skill set to earn online. I'd be happy to coach you through it. Have a great day.